We go now to a TVJ News follow-up on the incident in which a Fly Jamaica aircraft recently crash-landed in Guyana. More than a dozen firefighters have been detained by Guyanese police for allegedly stealing valuables from the victims of the crash. Minutes after the Fly Jamaica aircraft crash-landed at the TVJ International Airport Friday morning, emergency workers, including firefighters, rushed to the scene. However, 14 firefighters have now been detained by Guyanese police for allegedly stealing valuables from the passengers and crew of the Fly Jamaica aircraft. Guyana's chief fire officer, Marlon Gentle, said among those detained are supervisors who were stationed at the TVJ International Airport at the time of the crash. Some off-duty emergency personnel who rushed to the scene to help are also in custody. The firefighters are reportedly still in police custody as there will be criminal proceedings and departmental action against them. The stolen items included tablets, cell phones, and colognes. Authorities say some of the items have been recovered. The theft was unearthed after the pilot reported that some of his personal items were missing from the cockpit. An investigation was launched, and one of the firefighters handed over 2 cell phones that he had already stashed in his vehicle. Speaking with TVJ News this morning, Guyanese journalist Dennis Sharbal highlighted one particularly disturbing report in connection with the thefts.
I'm also told unofficially that one passenger lost his valuables, including $10,000 in vouchers that he was hoping to take with him to Canada to have eye surgery performed. The fire chief, Mr. Marlon Gentle, told me that surely one of the firefighters will be charged because he admitted having in his possession and in fact had turned over stolen property to police and fire investigators.
In May 2016, 4 firefighters were arrested for making off with cell phones from the home of Traffic Chief Dion Moore after responding to a fire at Moore's residence.